This equipment is specialized in providing dual or triple balance detection and correction for workpieces with an outer diameter of 30 to 100 mm and within 300 gram. Tray discs are used for loading and unloading to meet the requirements of automatic loading and unloading, automatic balance detection and correction. The complete product is composed of a feeding structure, a balance measurement and handling structure, and a dispensing balance correction structure. After the product passes through the delivery line and the picking and placing station, the mechanical handset clamps it for initial imbalance detection. When the initial imbalance is within the set balance value, the flip assembly and balance angle rotating assembly carry out product loading and accurately position the balance angle. The correction effect is achieved through dispensing and mass addition, and the dispensing repetition accuracy reaches 0.7 microliter. After UV curing, the product shall be retested, and the minimum residual imbalance after balance correction shall be less than or equal to 0.2 grams per millimeter per kilogram UPHs, between 150 to 200 pieces based on the unbalanced state of the fan blades, with stable balance correction effect, significantly improving detection efficiency and saving costs.